And today we are going to feature dividing fractions. Just as we planned last week. So let's jump right into an example. What is the quotient of 2/5 and 3/7? And quotient, what an ugly word, isn't it though?
That's not pretty.
But it's not so bad. You just need to remember that it means to divide. But yeah, this one that throws people most out of all the words.
Yeah.
So let's make a nice
Division symbol there.
division symbol there.
Okay, well.
And dividing, really not that different from multiplying, right? Just a few extra steps.
There's just really one extra step before you multiply, right?
Yeah.
I mean, we're going to make this into a multiplication problem.
Okay, and I think there is keep, change, reciprocal, keep, change. Do you remember all those little synonyms that people use?
I was hoping you were going to remember.
All right, I will remember that.
All right.
Keep means that you keep your first fraction.
Okay, so this is the keeper.
Yep.
So I'm going to rewrite it down here. 2/5.
Change means you change your division sign to a multiplication sign.
Okay.
And then the reciprocal is the fraction. So the reciprocal of 3/7 would be 7/3.
Right.
You're basically flipping it upside down. Although that's not a very mathematical way of saying it.
No.
So this is called the reciprocal.
Right. So
We keep with K. Oh,
I was just going to write whoa. I was just going to write show that when you have a fraction, I'm going to make this 2/7, which is different from anything we have over there, just to show that if you multiply something by its reciprocal, you get 1, 14/14 in this case.
because in the end you're creating a unit fraction with it. Yep. So a reciprocal, so we're looking at keep your first fraction, change your division sign to multiplication. Reciprocal, you're taking your second fraction and rewriting it as its reciprocal.
And then when you get to this point, you just have a multiplication problem, which
That was really easy because
Yeah.
we did that last week.
yeah, we're going to just multiply across the top and multiply across the bottom. So we have 14, right, 2 times 7, and 5 times 3 is 15. 14, 15, so I'm pretty sure that is in lowest terms. And to
Yes.
look and to check, you can look back here and see if there are any common factors that you can divide out. I don't see any.
No, it is pretty simple. So keep, change, reciprocal. Let's try it on the next one.
Okay.
So here we have a division problem. 1/4 divided by 1/6.
Okay.
So first step is going to be to rewrite it.
All right. You wanna do that? And I'll see if I can get the letters straight.
All right,
So
tell me, what do I have to do?
keep the first one,
So I keep my first one, 1/4.
and then change,
Change division to multiplication.
and then find the reciprocal of that last fraction.
And the reciprocal of 1/6 would be 6/1.
Yep.
Now I'm going to try your method. So I'm just going to multiply across. 1 times 6 is 6. 4 times 1 is 4. They're both even, so I'm going to divide by 2, divide by 2, end up with 3/2, which is an improper fraction.
It is.
2 goes into 3 one time, so I have 1 whole, and then I have a half left.
Yeah.
Now, could we have used the canceling out method with this? Because we don't have the same number. Does it still work?
Yeah, because you can still divide the top and the bottom by 2. Right, because 2 is a common factor for these. So we could divide this by 2 and divide this by 2, or another way to think of that is we're pulling a 2 out of the top and bottom.
Okay.
So we're sort of pulling 2/2 out, or 1, which won't affect the value.
Exactly.
So in this case, 4 divided by 2 is going to give us 2. Up here, 6 divided by 2 is going to give us 3. And you can see if you multiply across it that way, we're going to get 3 on the numerator again, and 2 times 1, 2 in the denominator. As you say, that is 1.5.
That was pretty easy.
It was easy.
And I think we are all set.
Remember KCR, keep, change, reciprocal is the key to these.
see you guys next week for our final one for this session.
On fractions,
And it
yeah.
will be all about multiply mixed numbers. So tune in next week. Bye.
Bye-bye. Sorry about that.